Hey everybody, today I'm going to open a very beat up box of 1819 Prizm Retail Basketball. I have had zero luck with this stuff, and honestly I'm not entirely sure why I bought it again. I think I swore to myself I wouldn't, and it arrived as if my luck wasn't bad enough. It arrived beat to crap. I'm back. Wow. So hopefully, I probably should send this back, but since they are chrome, I'm gonna assume that they probably are okay for the most part. But yeah, between the really bad luck with this stuff and then this box showing up beat up, I mean, I do know why I ordered it. eBay had a 15% off coupon that I used, and I wasn't sure exactly what to get and kind of panicked because it was the time was about to expire, and so I grabbed this hoping that I'd get a couple of good rookies. Yeah, the packs look okay. Let's see, let's get into them. Chrome's pretty solid, so hopefully there's no damage. Alright, Dennis Smith Jr., Turner. Here is a Emergent Colin Sexton Hollow Silver. Kaminsky. Yeah, I probably should have picked something else. I have had no luck with this. Wagner rookie, Markkanen, a green, Tony Parker, Gerald Green. My last box had some good vet parallels, but not much other than that. Burks, Bogdanovich. There's a Luka Emergent. I think it's the first Luka anything I've pulled out of retail box. From Rudy Gay. Matu rookie. Morris, Patrick Ewing Dominance, Trevor Ariza. Yeah, I've had, in general, just had a whole lot more luck with the 17-18 rookie class. There is a Wagner, Freshman Phenoms, and Simmons rookie. We have a red, Mike Conley. There's Larry Bird. And yes, all the cards look okay. They seem to be alright. George Hill, Reggie Miller Hall Monitors, and Billy Preston rookie. Colin Sexton rookie. Green Kevin Herder. So I did get a green rookie out of this. Not the best one, but one anyway. Thompson, Alexander. Set up like a rookie card, but doesn't say rookie. Silver Paul Gasol, and rookie Jared Vanderbilt. Harry Giles, Peyton, Wagner Emergent, and Brandon Knight. Okobo rookie, Zach Collins, Shaq Dominance, and Mo Bamba rookie. I think there's already been more rookies in this box than there was in the last one. So that's something. Musa rookie. Green, Harry Giles, Jeff Teague. De'Aaron Fox. Bismack Biyombo autograph. Bismack Biyombo. Not too familiar with that one. Silver, Jimmy Butler, Tony Parker. Oh, come on. Baron Davis, Dragic, Jerome Robinson, Freshman Phenoms Green, and Kobe Bryant. Teodosic rookie, Bobby Portis, Get Hyped, Russell Westbrook, Vincent Edwards rookie. Can't even get the packs to open correctly. Alright. Aaron Holiday rookie. Chandler Hutchinson silver rookie. Not bad. Got a silver rookie out of this. This has probably been my best box to date. Still don't think I'm going to buy it again. Trae Young, Freshman Phenoms. I think I'm going to stick to opening some more of last year's product. Kemba Walker, green. Bender, silver. Kyrie Irving. Jared Allen, Steve Nash. Oh, another silver rookie. Diallo. Yep, this is definitely my best box. Guess I'm glad I took a chance again. DeMar DeRozan, Solomon Hill, Dwayne Wade, Dominance, Gary Trent Jr. rookie. Markelle Fultz, Buddy Hield, Kevin Hervey rookie red, and Kevin Hervey rookie base. Chris Middleton, Horford, Emergent Mo Bamba, Mike Conley. Last two packs. Tobias Harris, Stockton, Anthony Simmons, Freshman Phenoms, Michael Carter Williams, and Ish Smith, Donovan Mitchell, Silver Thon Maker, and Dirk Nowitzki. So a little bit better results outcome that time. And all the cards look fine even though the box is trashed. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about Prizm Retail. Have you done better than this? I hope so. I will be back with my next break very soon.